Good morning, guys. Starting for troubleshooting again. PIM troubleshooting. Open input. Ayan, start na tayo. Ayan, ginagawa natin.
I open.
Check. Ayan. Okay, connect input, connect. Let's see what is the reading when the cable is connected. I see. It's failed. That's what we're going to troubleshoot.
Connect again.
Okay, connect one by one, remove one by one output then.
Okay, bro.
To check where is the faulty cable, connector or antenna. Remove another one.
Okay. When I connect?
No, don't connect. Just remove the cable.
Okay.
This is the pin. Pin.
Okay, set.
Pin. Another cable remove.
Another
Yes, another cable.
remove, and which one I remove? Do you want to know?
No, remove another cable. Remove another.
Okay, bro. Okay. Okay, set.
It's fluctuating.
Check one time more.
Fluctuating. Okay, connect one by one now. Connect one by one. First cable you remove, connect.
First one, huh?
Yes, first cable do you remove, connect.
Okay.
Look at this, what the changes coming. No, this cable is having issue. Remove this one and connect the other one.
Okay. Check.
Okay, connect the other one.
Check.
How many cable not connected?
Cable is going 8 floor.
No, how many cable that is not connected?
One cable, only one cable.
Okay, remove the cable that you connect now.
Okay. Check.
Okay, remove the other cable. First cable, connect.
Okay.
Okay, now the cable not connected. Where go this one?
One is going 9th floor.
Cable not connected, huh?
Cable is not connected.
Yeah, cable not connected. Where go this one?
This is going 10th floor.
The cable not connected, huh?
It is still not connected.
Okay, can you put dummy load that one? That port, can you put dummy load?
It's a splitter, right?
Sorry? Connect dummy load in the splitter.
Limal,
Yes, yes.
here 3 cable open with splitter.
3 cable is open?
Yes, 3 cable is already open with splitter.
Why? I thought you connect already.
No, before I am connect and then you ask me again you remove. So I remove one by one again.
Okay, connect one by one again. You did not understand by.